we were having, now as you know, the JICA water pipeline is being laid. And now it has already been laid almost in line with Our Lady of Perpetual Succor High School. And we have stopped at that because of the Local Railway Bridge. So we needed to know, first of all, we needed the NOC from the Local Railway Authority, and also we need to know how the pipeline, what a JICA pipeline can be laid, taking into consideration the bridge. Okay, and for that reason, I think the drawings are needed so that a thorough study can be made, and the engineers will then decide exactly how to lay the JICA water pipeline as per what is the right thing to do.
Madam, what is the status of the water supply in this area? How much people are facing problem?
So, see, there are some areas where water is not a problem. But those people, there are some areas where the height, where the houses are located is a main problem. Water does not have the pressure to rise up. And therefore, we are trying to augment the water supply by laying all these water pipelines.
JICA आमचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा न्ही चालू ते ऑलमोस्ट आमी बाय दीस मे कमिंग मे सगळे मॅक्झिमम कंप्लीट करपा आसता मे 2021.
It will be Vasco and
वास्को कुट्टालीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी दाबोलीम वास्को एंड
how much water supply means कशी कितें आसतली? Water supply कशी कितें आसतली?
वॉटर सप्लाय मीन्स आमची सारके सालावलीच्यान वेर्णा एमडीआर डायरेक्ट पायपलायन आयला वेर्णा एमडीआर ग्रॅविटी
पंपिंग करतात.
Yeah.